It is day number 25 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. I'm staying home. There's actually a big storm that is brewing outside. It's going to be there all the way up until till tomorrow. The storm didn't arrive early this morning. Early this morning it was actually pretty cloudy. The sun actually broke the clouds, but then somewhere around 1 o'clock, immediately the heavy clouds started gathering up and it started pouring everywhere here in Los Angeles. And also, regarding news of the COVID-19 virus here in Los Angeles, the number of cases and deaths are steadily rising. It's actually one of the top cities in California where they're seeing the number of cases and deaths rising all over anywhere else in the state of California, which is Los Angeles, unfortunately. And also, the mayor of Los Angeles made an executive order of having everyone that is in any type of essential business that they have to wear a face covering or mask. And if they don't have one, the essential business should be able to provide that worker with one. And also, anyone that wants to go to an essential business, like customers, those customers are also required to have a face mask or some sort of facial covering, because if they don't, then the essential business could actually deny them service if they don't have that mask on, because they want to make sure that everyone has a mask on so they can slow down the spread of the COVID-19 virus. So anytime we have to go outside, or I have to go outside, I have to have my face covering regardless what it is. If it's like a surgical mask or even a piece of cloth, anything. Anything will do for now, because the masks are very hard to find, and like I said before, a lot of people are taking advantage of the situation and are selling masks in outrageous prices. So we have to do what we can to find anything around the house to make some sort of facial covering. In other news, in France, they just reported that their death toll has just surpassed over 10,000 people. France is becoming the new epicenter of the pandemic in Europe. Before it was Italy, then it was Spain, now it is France. And, my heart goes out to everyone in France. Los Angeles is with you. I actually have a friend in France who's living there. He used to be my roommate in college back when I was a student at UC Irvine. But so far he's okay. He is safe along with his family, and that's a little bit of good news to hear so far. But also adding to what's going on around the United States, the top Surgeon General stated earlier this week that this week and next week is possibly going to be one of the worst, saddest, catastrophic days that's going to affect every single American regarding the COVID-19 pandemic, regarding the cases and deaths of the COVID-19. We're going to see a huge spike like nothing we've ever seen before. And he is urging everyone, to stay home in these next 2 weeks. If you don't have any groceries that you have to get, and if you have enough things in the house, then just stay and wait it until the week after, because they want to limit everyone to be outside. They need to be inside. It's still not a lockdown yet. It's only self-quarantine. That's something that they hope that people will understand, and hopefully that will save some lives, and we won't see this dreaded statistic come to fruition. Lastly, everyone, I hope everyone stays home for the next 2 weeks. Make sure that if you don't have everything that you need, have it immediately or have someone deliver it to you. A lot of grocery stores have that option that they can deliver it to you, or you can order it in advance and you just go to the curb and pick it up, and they'll just put it in your trunk and you don't even have to go outside. So everyone, make sure you stay safe, be strong, be resilient, and have faith.